Welcome to TechBond Molecular Bonding Systems 1-2 fixed video on how to repair the cracked stock in a Remington nylon. Remington nylons are a popular firearm. However, when they crack or break, there hasn't been any method that satisfactorily repairs the crack. All polys are not created equal, and the polyplastic Zytel used in the Remington stock is problematic. Zytel has a very high oil content, so in making the repair, you have to be more thorough. Using the basic poly kit, which consists of a structural adhesive, usually our SI Blue, our activator accelerator, and our poly prep, an adhesion promoter for polyplastics and other space-age polymers. Cracks in the Remington nylon can be repaired quickly, easily, and with strength. Before starting, make sure all edges are clean. First, saturate both edges of the crack with the poly prep and let it dry. The poly prep dries the oil on the poly surface and etches that surface. Our poly prep is solvent-based, so it dries quickly. On difficult plastics, you always prime with the poly prep at least twice. So we're going to repeat the application of the poly prep. And again, let it dry. It is critical to apply the activator accelerator to only one edge of the break. So, because of the nature of this crack, we're going to use a brush to apply our activator accelerator and make sure that we keep it on just one edge. So saturate your brush. We want to make sure we let the activator accelerator dry completely before going on to our next step. Now, with a heat gun or a hairdryer, we're going to heat the crack for 1 minute. Plastics begin to soften between 110 and 130 degrees. Apply a thin layer of SI Blue, our standard viscosity structural adhesive, to the opposite edge from where we just applied our activator accelerator. Trying your hardest to keep it on the opposite edge from where we just applied the activator accelerator. Now, align the two pieces and press firmly for 20 seconds. Remove any of the excess And once again, we will use our hairdryer or heat gun on the seam for 1 minute. Okay, the repaired Remington nylon will not crack in the same place. Please check out our 1-2 Fixed video library on how to repair other broken items around the home, shop, factory, or office. Yes, your repair will be that easy. You may be asking yourself, how does it work so easily? And why does it work so well? The short answer? Chemistry. When used properly, our activator accelerator actually intensifies the chemical reaction that occurs when used with one of our SI structural adhesives. That stronger chemical reaction means a stronger bond, a more durable bond, a bond that is easily executed, and an all-around better repair. In addition to the 1-2 Fixed instructional videos on how to complete your repairs, you can also find a step-by-step instruction guide that coincides with each video. We understand that you may still be skeptical, hence our guarantees. You can purchase any of our items individually, or to save money, you can choose one of our kits. Kits will save you 15% over the individual pricing. Just visit the shopping cart at www.tbbonding.com or give us a call at 1-877-565-7225. Happy repairing!